Even a bunny can earn, from first $50 to big wins. What if I told you even a bunny could make money online? Want to make your first $50 online? It's easier than you think. Imagine turning just a few hours on your phone or laptop into a steady stream of online income. That's exactly what this free guide shows you: 10 easy ways to make your first $50 online. 10 easy ways to earn your first $50 online. I've put together a free guide with 10 legit beginner-friendly methods you can start today. But here's the thing, these 10 methods are just the beginning. Each one can grow into hundreds or even thousands a month if you know the right tools, the right strategies, and the shortcuts that beginners usually miss. These methods are a start, shortcuts spark real growth. That's why I created my premium step-by-step PDF guides. Inside, I break down exactly how to turn simple side hustles into consistent daily income, avoid beginner mistakes that waste time and money, get access to legit platforms, templates, and resources, scale up faster so you can hit your goals sooner. And if you're serious, my premium guides show you how to turn small wins into real income. Turn small wins into bigger results with premium guides. You've already taken the first step with this free guide. Don't stop here. Click the link below and grab my premium guides now. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be earning more. Grab the free guide today, then upgrade anytime to the paid ones if you're serious about growing your online income. Upgrade anytime you're ready. Don't wait, click the link below. Grab your free guide now and start your journey now. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be earning more. Remember, success online isn't about luck. It's about using the right methods, the right way. Your future self will thank you for starting today.